Hello kids, today we're going to do an arts and craft that could work as a gift for your mom for Mother's Day. It's going to be a flower made out of construction paper, and this is what it will end up looking like. So in the center we're going to have my mom is, and when you lift up every petal is going to have a different word describing your mom. Adorable, my mom is adorable. My mom is cute. My mom is nice. My mom is pretty, and so on. For this arts and craft video, we're gonna need 5 different colors of construction paper. I have chosen orange, red, yellow, pink, and green. You could pick whatever 5 colors you will like. You'll also need a marker, a pair of scissors, a stick glue, and a pencil. Out of those 5 colors, you're gonna have to pick one to be your base color. And I have chosen orange. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna outline a flower with 6 petals. So we start with a circle and we end up with an outline of a flower. So a circle and 6 petals, like that. It doesn't matter how it looks because it's just an outline. It's just to let you guys know where it is that you want to put the petals and the center of the flower and all of that. So we're going to set this aside. We're going to end up making 2 flowers. One is going to be our base flower. That's going to be at the bottom of the colorful flower. For my base flower, I have chosen green. So everything for my base flower will be green. So what I'm going to do is outline a flower, one circle and 6 petals to cut them out. So you could do it as a single flower or individually. It doesn't really matter. So let's get started. After you're done outlining your flower, you're going to cut those pieces. So let's continue. Okay, so I'm going to start cutting my circle and my 6 petals. Okay, so I have cut out my pieces and this is what I end up with. 6 individual petals, the center of the flower. And now what we want to do is glue these pieces onto our base piece of paper. So here's our base and we're gonna get started with our stick glue. And we're gonna glue the center of the flower there and then the petals around it. I'll show you guys what that looks like in a few minutes. So this is my finished product after gluing all my petals and the center of my flower. And this is my base. And now what we're gonna do next is again get another green, get the green construction paper back because we need to cut another center. So we're gonna draw another circle like this and we're gonna cut it. So this is what we end up with once we cut the circle. And now we're gonna cut out the other petals. So we're gonna work with our other construction paper. So I'll do pink next, and I will do 2 petals per color. So 2 pinks, 2 green, and 2 yellow. So we basically repeat the process. We draw on our construction paper, we're gonna draw the petals. So we will get our pencil and just draw the shape of the petal. And then we get our scissors and we're gonna cut 2 of these shapes. And this is what I end up with. We're gonna repeat this process with the red and the yellow. Okay, here are my red and yellows. And I will once again draw the petals on each and then cut them. So this is what we end up with once we cut everything out individually. And we're gonna glue these petals onto the center of the flower. Okay, so I'm done gluing it to the center of the flower. This is how the back looks. And this is the front of it. So I alternated the colors yellow, red, pink, red, yellow, pink. You could do it however you want. There's no need for a pattern, or you could have the colors together or separate or all a single color. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get our marker, and in the center here we're gonna write "My mom is." So that's what I just wrote, "My mom is." Now we're gonna bring back our outline, our base of the flower. And then what we're gonna do is put some glue here on the center of this flower. Just like that. And we're gonna glue this one onto here, matching the petals. Now you're gonna wanna fold these petals inwards, so it will be standing up. And the last step would be on the green petals. We're gonna write words that you feel describe your mom with our marker. Okay, so I finished writing what I believe describes my mom. So my mom is pretty. My mom is nice. My mom is creative. My mom is cute. My mom is smart. My mom is amazing. And there you go. That's the finished product that you could give to your mom for Mother's Day or just because. Thanks for watching. Bye.